Okay, be honest, do you guys see a difference? To me, the difference is subtle, but it is definitely there. I am absolutely in love with this color changing foundation because I feel like it gives you a your skin but better look. It goes on white and then it starts to blend to your skin tone. One of my favorite things about this product is the fact that I can wear this with a spray tan and without a spray tan, and it matches my skin tone every single time. It gives a really beautiful finish. You can see that it definitely has a little bit of a glow to it. So I would say that this is a little bit more like a satin finish. It is absolutely beautiful. I want to show it to you guys one more time. It goes on white and then it blends to your skin tone. It gives you just like this really beautiful youthful glow. And the thing I love about it is that it's just one of my tried and true foundations. I know without a shadow of a doubt that if I put on this product, my makeup is going to look amazing. It's going to be one of those good makeup days if this is the base. Literally, just look how pretty that is. If you have not tried the Biomimic Foundation by Forever Bloom Skincare, you need to.